It's Dr. Searcy with today, August 25th's video summary. Our big quote for the day came from the Norton Anthology introduction. It said, "The world of Old English poetry is often elegiac." Well, what does elegiac mean? Elegiac poetry is defined this way: a melancholy meditation that gets its sadness from one of three things. One, the transience or short-lived nature of earthly things. The fact that the stuff we see around us and even our bodies will pass away. Two, the passage of time. The fact that the years seem to go by so fast. And three, the pain that comes from being exiled from your kinsmen or other people from your community. Now, why would this be the dominant tone of Old English poetry? Well, we discussed that this was the world that Old English poetry came out of. The natives of Britain, the Celts, were conquered and ruled by Romans up through 450. And then Germanic invaders came, the Anglo-Saxons and Jutes. And then at the end of the 9th century, Danish invaders came. And then in 1066, the French came with William the Conqueror. This was a civilization that was constantly in upheaval. And as a result, the major emotions that the people saw when they looked at the world around them, that they felt when they looked at the world around them, that they felt like recording, were ones that had to do with loss and with the transience, the short-lived nature of earthly things. And so when we think about Old English poetry, we have to consider a figure of speech called irony, where something appears one way and it's actually something else. The world that the Anglo-Saxons saw was always transitory. It couldn't be trusted. They had to put faith in the fact that there was an eternal world somewhere else. And that's what we'll be looking at in Beowulf.